Hey guys, good morning. Here I am trying to use up some old rolls. We're going to make some bread pudding. I'm going to take 3 rolls, fill up my pan, and these I'm going to toast with some butter. That was 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to toss it a little bit. Toast them in the oven until they get nice and dry. Then we're going to make our bread pudding. Okay, with the other 3 rolls, I'm going to take a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Put them in the bowl. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Mix it up for a little bit. And we're going to cut these up. And we're going to twist these around. That's how you get rid of old bread. Okay, need to soak the raisins. We're going to take 1/2 cup raisin, 1/3 cup water, heaping tablespoon of sugar, and a little bit of flavoring. Pop it in the microwave, 1.5 minutes. Okay, now we're going to take our apples. Our raisins with the liquid. And we're going to put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to take 5 eggs, ¾ cup of sugar, 1 cup heavy cream, and 3 cups of milk. heaping teaspoon of cinnamon. And whisk it up. Our apples are ready. We're going to put those in. Whisk that up. And finally, we're going to take our butter croutons. Okay, and now we're going to toss in our croutons. Let's wait a few minutes to let that soak in, and we're going to pour it into a baking dish. Meanwhile, here's our garlic croutons to use for our salads. Rice is diverted. Now you can use a baking dish, or you can use a springform pan. I'm going to use a springform pan because I want to cut it later, give out to some of my friends. Push everything down till it's just right underneath the liquid, and keep a couple of pieces of bread sticking up so they can be nice and crunchy later. Okay, this is about 45 minutes later. We're out of the oven. Egg whites cook at 140 degrees. Egg yolks cook at 160 degrees. So you can see this is a touch over 160 degrees. So all our eggs are finished cooking. That's how we know it's done.